In this video, we are going to see how to make professional slides in PowerPoint. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Then let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background, select Color, then Close. Go to Insert tab, go to Shapes, select a rounded rectangle, drag it. Shape outline, make it no outline. Click on Shape Effect, select Present for size 11 cm and 11 cm. Right click, go to Format Shape, click on Picture or Texture field, go to File. I have downloaded a picture from Google, select it and insert it. Rotate, press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right. Select and insert it. Rotate it. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to the down. Go to File, select and insert it. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Rectangle, drag it. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape field, select Color, rotate it. Go to Insert, select Text Box, draw a text box. Here we write Creative Title Slide. Select and pick a new font for your text. Increase font size and change the color of your text. Center your content. Go to Character Spacing. Select Very Loose. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Line. Increase width size and change the color to. Select this. Go to Animation. Select Line. Go to Effect option. Select from bottom left. Increase the duration. Go to Animation pane. Go to Effect option. Increase Smooth end. Then OK. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option. Select from top right. Select Start up the previous. Click on Animation Painter, apply on this. Go to Effect option, select from left. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Click on Animation Painter, apply on this text box. We will play the slideshow and see. So friends, if you like the video, then please like it, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.